Hey everybody, how are you? Happy Thursday. It is June 19th and today is, of course, Juneteenth, which is the liberation of enslaved people across the United States. First was recognized in Texas. So look that up, celebrate the people around you and freedom. We all need freedom. It seems like our rights are being taken away all the time and we need to do better. We need to rise up, be together, be there in solidarity, which I really loved when everything happened during the No King's Day. So we need to have more of that and be there for one another. That's my soapbox moment. But celebrate Juneteenth today, special day. Shout out to everybody and educate yourself. That's all I can say. Education is the key. Been a busy morning. Been very busy. I have no lectures today, but I'm working on a big one for tomorrow and Friday. So, for today and Friday. Excuse me. Wow. But today, what I did is I decided to make some homemade jam. So you're going to see a little picture in a moment. I got these beautiful jars of jam. This is strawberry rhubarb. I've already made strawberry and blackberry. I don't know if you knew this, but I like to can during the summer. I don't eat any of it. I give it away. I give it away around Friendsgiving and at Christmas time. So got a little bit more to go. I got to do blueberry, peach, triple berry. Oh my gosh. Hot pepper garlic jelly and my spicy sweet jalapeno slices. And then I'm done by September 1st. That's it. It's muggy today. We have an 89% humidity. I have the fan in the window. It says it's 70 something out and it's not. So it's very deceptive. So again, my sinuses kick in and it's not pleasant. Pride Fest is coming up in Chicago this coming weekend, this Saturday, Sunday. Lots of events going on. I want to let you know of one that I've been working with Smoothie King, which is on the corner of Broadway and Cornelia. But the well-known and popular Miss Foozie, here's a picture of her in the flyer right now. They're doing an event on Saturday to commemorate Pride Day, the Pride Fest. And so if you come in, they're going to do a Foozie smoothie, giveaways, karaoke. I think she's going to do a couple of numbers. All sorts of stuff is going on at Smoothie King. So check out the date and time that was on the flyer, or you can look it up online. But thanks to them for celebrating Pride and being all about the community because they're doing such a great job here. That's it for everything that's going on this week. Again, isn't that lovely? Next week I'm going to do a couple of posts and that's about it because I'm heading to Michigan the end of next week. I got a couple of things going on that I'll share about and I'll connect with you again on Monday. All right? Have yourself a great day ahead. If you're coming to Chicago, be safe. Have a great time. Celebrate Pride wherever you are at. Yeah, I know there's a little circle right here by James Earl Jones. That's my ring light. See? I covered it up. Where am I at? Happens all the time. But I will see you soon. Subscribe, like, and share. I love you. Thanks for the follow. Show me some love, and I will talk to you next week. Take care.